Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Calendar with Zapier for AI agenda creation. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Zapier website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button to begin creating an automation. In the Trigger section, search for and select Google Calendar. Next, choose the specific trigger event, such as new event or event start. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, connect your Google Calendar account by clicking on Sign in to Google Calendar. You will be prompted to grant Zapier access to your Google Calendar. Once connected, select the calendar you want to use for the trigger. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. You can test the trigger to ensure it's working properly. Once the test is successful, click on Continue to set up the action. In the Action section, search for and select the application where you want to create the agenda. Choose the action event, such as Create Item or Send. Click on Continue to move forward. Now, connect your desired application by following the prompts to authenticate. Once connected, you will be able to map the fields from Google Calendar to your application. Select the relevant fields, such as event title, date, and description. After mapping the fields, click on Continue. You can test the action to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once the test is successful, click on Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Google Calendar is now connected with Zapier for AI agenda creation. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your automated workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.